In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ticket in HubSpot service. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can capture customer issues and requests in a clean, trackable way. First, make sure you're signed into your HubSpot account. Having the right access is important here because tickets live inside your CRM data. If you normally work across different portals or accounts, double check that you're in the correct one for your team before moving on. A quick confirmation now helps you avoid creating a ticket in the wrong place. Once you're in, head to the CRM section. That's your central hub for contacts, companies, deals, and, of course, tickets. Inside CRM, look for tickets. This is the workspace where your support inquiries are organized by pipeline and status, so everything moves smoothly from new to in progress to resolved. If your navigation looks a little different due to a layout update or custom menu, don't worry. Tickets may also appear under a service-focused area, but it's the same destination you need. When you land on the tickets view, you'll see your list or board of existing tickets, depending on how your view is set up. This overview isn't just a directory, it's the heartbeat of your support process. You can quickly scan what's open, what's urgent, and what's already been closed. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right pipeline if your team uses more than one, like support, onboarding, or billing. Staying in the correct pipeline keeps your reporting clean and your workflows consistent. Now to create a new record, click Add Ticket. Depending on your interface, the button might be labeled Create Ticket, but it serves the same purpose. Clicking this is your starting line for logging a new customer request. After you click, you'll see the familiar ticket creation panel or window where you can enter the details your team relies on, such as a clear subject and a concise description. This is where good habits really help. Use a consistent naming format, keep the summary specific, and include context your teammates will appreciate later. Accurate, tidy entries make handoffs easier and shorten resolution times. If you don't see the option to add a ticket, it may be related to permissions or the view you're on. In that case, check with your administrator so you're set up to create tickets going forward. That's all there is to it. Log into HubSpot, go to CRM, open tickets, and click Add Ticket. Follow those steps and you'll be ready to capture customer issues the right way every time.